this is Anshika and welcome you all to my channel. See, everyone likes to drink soup in winters. So today I was discussing some recipes with my auntie. So she told me that her country has a traditional soup and it's very tasty and healthy too. So I requested her, why don't she come on my channel and share this recipe with you. So my favorite auntie is coming on my special request.
Hello everyone!
Hello auntie, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I watch all your videos on YouTube and I love them very much, and actually you're one of my favorite chefs.
Thank you auntie.
Oh.
So auntie, today which recipe are you going to share with us?
So today I'm going to share with you and with all your viewers the recipe of very healthy, very tasty and traditional Ukrainian soup that is called Borsh. So without wasting our time, let's start cooking. So first let me tell you the ingredients we need for this Ukrainian soup. So for 5 liters pot you will need such ingredients: about 2 carrots, 1 beetroot, 1 cabbage, maybe 6 or 5 potatoes, and tomato puree. But also for the decoration and for serving you will need fresh cream and fresh dill. And also we need to boil 1 cup of kidney beans. So Anshika, first you peel and grate these carrots and beetroot. You can do this.
Okay auntie.
And then we need to take these potatoes, cut them and peel into medium dice. And after, cut cabbage into shred pieces.
Okay auntie, I will cut it.
We need to put potatoes in boiled water. And we need to put cabbage there. And boil it. It's good to add some bay leaves to boiling water, it will taste nice. At the same time you need to put some oil in pan. And fry carrots, together with beetroots. So stir it and cook for 5 minutes. When potatoes are almost boiled, we need to add beetroots and carrots into the pot. And mix them well and stir it. Now add some tomato puree to the soup, about 100 grams. And stir it. Also add our boiled kidney beans to the pot. Mix them well together. And add salt according to your taste. And add half of teaspoon black pepper powder. And add half of teaspoon coriander powder. You can also add half of teaspoon garam masala. After adding spices, mix them well and cook for 5 more minutes.
So auntie, should I cut some fresh dill for decoration?
Yes, please. Now our borscht is finally ready, so we are serving it. Now add some fresh cream. And fresh dill. Now our Ukrainian borscht is finally ready, so you can enjoy your meal, or how we say in Ukrainian, смачного вам!
Thank you, Aunty. Today you came on my request and shared a very nice recipe. Aunty, can I taste? Yummy. Thank you, Aunty, once again.
Oh, you're welcome! I enjoyed cooking with you and your viewers so much.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video.